What's up, guys? Here's box 9 from our box 4 from our 5-box case. 5-box break. Box 9 from the 10-box case. Whew. Good luck, everybody. Did not have an autograph in box number 7. Kenny Britt for the Titans. MLB Barker, number to 99. Aaron Maben for the Bills. That will go to CSM. Gartrell Johnson for the Chargers. Baller script. Cedric Pierman for the Ravens. CSM. You're more than welcome to watch my eBay, Amish. Percy Harvin Refractor. Now we're talking. TX Car. Jarrett Dillard for the Jags. New York Mets Jets. Blue Refractor. Adrian Peterson out of 150 for TX Car. And a Mike Wallace rookie for the Steelers, CSM. Jonathan Stewart Refractor for the Panthers. That would be for the Panthers. TX Car. And a Javon Ringer for the Titans, MLB Barker. How about we just pull a Percy Harvin patch auto? Mike Goodson for the Panthers, TX Car. Need to get Red Sox refractor. Colts and Redskins. Okay. Well, Derek Mason, 7/50 gold refractor for the Ravens. That would be CSM. And Brandon Tate for the Patriots. That would be TX Car. I thought we had an autograph. Brandon Pettigrew for the Lions. X-Fractor. McNabb to Westy. Brandon Gibson for the Eagles. ASM. Got a refractor of Frank Gore for the 49ers, going to Baller Script, and a Crabtree going to Baller Script. Santana Moss, Redskins, refractor, Red Sox. Johnny Knox for the Bears, Amish. Chiefs, Tyson Jackson, McNabb to Westy. Sean Green for the Jets, Drunk Trojan. Brian Obisky for the Browns, McNabb to Westy. Donald Brown for the Colts, Red Sox. Brendan Pettigrew for the Lions. McNabb to Westy. Green refractor, Leon Washington for the Jets, Drunk Trojan. That's out of 99. And a Rhett Bomar for the Giants, Baller Script. Alright, 2 packs to go. Andre Brown, rookie for the Giants. Baller script. Last pack. Broncos, Tom Brandstater, Cassibinator, and a Pat Turner for the Dolphins. Dolphins was MLB Barker. What's up, guys? ATM Sports Cards. This is box 5 of our second 5-box break. Wrapping up this case of 09 Bowman Chrome. So far, we've been shorted 1 autograph, and the rest of the autographs have not lived up to the hype. Parallel pack. Mike Thomas out of 225 for the Jags. New York Mets Jets. All base, and a Kenny Britt to the Titans. MLB Barker. Jason Smith for the Rams. McNabb to Westy. Dion Butler for the Seahawks. New York Mets Jets. Ed Reed for the Ravens refractor. Ravens is CSM, and a Percy Harvin rookie for the Vikings. TX Car. Mike Thomas auto for the Jaguars. New York Mets Jets. And a Donald Brown rookie for the Colts. Colts was Red Sox. Brian Cushing for the Texans. That was Baller script. Jeremy Maclin for the Eagles. ASM. Muhammad Massaquoi for the Browns. McNabb to Westy. Derek Williams for the Lions. McNabb to Westy. X-Factor, T.O. for the Bills. CSM. And Malcolm Jenkins for the Saints. Drunk Trojan. Hakeem Nicks for the Giants. Baller script. Chris Beanie Wells for the Cardinals. CSM. Hakeem Nicks refractor for the Giants. Baller script. BJ Raji for the Packers. Amish. Blue refractor, Charles Woodson for the Packers. Amish. Darius Hayward Bay for the Raiders. TX Car. Mark Sanchez, Drunk Trojan. 3 packs to go. No Sean Marino, Cassibinator. Mike Till for the Seahawks. New York Mets Jets. And finally, Matt Stafford for the Lions, McNabb to Westy. That'll do it.